Hello students. In the previous class I completed exercise 15a in which you learnt how can we find lateral surface area and total surface area of a cube, lateral surface area and total surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area and total surface area of cylinder. Now I am going to start next exercise 15b in which you will learn how can you find volume of a cube, volume of a cuboid and volume of a cylinder. So first, what is the volume of solid shapes? Volume is the space occupied by a solid shape. Generally, volume of a 3D shape. 3D shape means that shape which consists of three measurements, that is length, breadth and height. 3D shape can be found by multiplying the base area with respective height or depth of that particular shape. Formula for volume of a cuboid. All these formulas you already have written. Because I told you to write all these key concepts. So here already you have written these formulas: volume of a cube, volume of cuboid, volume of cylinder. So now volume of a cube is a special type of cuboid in which all three dimensions are same. In a cuboid, length, breadth and height are different, but in a cube, all three dimensions, three measurements are same. Length, breadth and height is side length. So volume of cube is equal side whole cube, that is L cube. Volume of cylinder. See, this is a figure of a cylinder. Consider a cylinder with height h units. This is the height of this cylinder. Let it is taken as h and radius of the base r units. This is the base of cylinder. Base of any cylinder is in circular shape and area of circle is pi r square. So area of this base is pi r square. And what is the volume? Volume of the cylinder is base area into height. Base area is pi r square into height h. So volume of cylinder is equal pi r square h cubic unit. Now you know all three formulas. Volume of cuboid is equal L into B into h cubic units. Volume of cube is equal L cube units. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. In this exercise 15b, again we will put the given values in the formulas. First question is find the volume of the cube with the following side lengths. Students, you have done this question number 1 and 2 in 5th and 6th standard also. So there should be no problem. Still, I have solved two parts. First, find the volume of the cubes. A part. In A part, side is given 10 centimeter. So we will write simple side length of cube is equal 10 centimeter. Volume of the cube is equal, what is the formula? Side whole cube, or we can say L whole cube. So side is 10 centimeter. So it is 10 cube. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. We will multiply this 10 3 times, not 10 into 3. So 10 into 10 into 10 is equal 1000 cubic centimeter. F part. In F part, side of cube is given 5.1 meter. So side length of the cube is given 5.1 meter. Volume of the cube is equal side whole cube. It is 5.1 whole cube. We will multiply 5.1 3 times. So 5.1 into 5.1 into 5.1. When we multiply this 5.1 3 times, we get 132.651 cubic meter. So it is very simple. Now come to question number 2. Find the volume of the cuboids with the following dimensions. Here I have done two part A and B. A is simple. In A part, length is given 15 centimeter, breadth is given 10 centimeter, height is given 5 centimeter. So volume of the cuboid is equal L into B into H. L is 15 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, and H is 5 centimeter. 15 5 ja 75. 75 into 10 is equal 750 cubic centimeter. In B part, length is given 5 meter, breadth is given 350 centimeter, height is 2 meter. See here, these two measurements are in meter, but this measurement is in centimeter. So first we will convert this 350 centimeter into meter. Length is equal 5 meter, breadth is equal 350 centimeter, 350 upon 100 meter. To convert centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100. So 350 upon 100, 0 0 cancel. 35 upon 10 means 3.5 meter. Height is 2 meter. Again, volume of the cuboid, same formula. L into B into H. L is 5 meter, B is 3.5 meter, H is 2 meter. 5 2 ja 10. 10 multiply by 3.5, we get 35.0 cubic meter. Remaining part you will do self in first question, in second question both. Come to third one. Find the volume of the cylinders with the following dimensions. Here we have to find the volume of the cylinder. In A part, radius of cylinder is given 12 centimeter and height of cylinder is given 21 centimeter. See here, radius is 12 centimeter, height is 21 centimeter. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7. R square, r is 12 centimeter, so we will write here 12 two times. 12 into 12, h is 21 centimeter. Now simplify it. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Now this 22 multiply 12 multiply 12 multiply 3. When we multiply these four numbers, we get 9,504 cubic centimeter. So volume of the cylinder with given dimension is 9,504 cubic centimeter. Students, in this question 3, I have explained, I have done only A part. Remaining part you will do self. Okay. After this come to question number 4. In question number 4, a table is given. See this table, complete the following table. There are 6 parts, A, B, C, D, E, F. I have solved these 3 parts. Remaining 3 parts you will do self. How? See, in first part, volume of cube is given 729 cubic meter. Here only we have to find length. Length means side of cube, not other 3 measurements. Here these are dash. Which is blank, only we have to find that one. Here we have to find side of cube. Here we have to find height of cube. And in this part we have to find radius of the cylinder. Okay. In here you will find volume of cube. Here you will find volume of cube. Here you will find length, no, volume of cube. So all these part cube, you will do it as first question. In cuboid you will do as second question. And in cylinder you will do as this third question. A, B, C I am explaining you. Here we are given volume of the cube. See, volume of the cube is given 729 cubic meter. Formula for volume of cube is side whole cube. We will do factorization, prime factors of 729. See, 3 2 ja 6, 1 remainder, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6, 2 remainder, 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Now if we take this 3 3 3 3 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, or we can say this that 729 is cube of 9. If we multiply 9 into 9 into 9, we get 729. So side cube is equal 9 cube, cube cancel, side of the cube is equal 9 meter because unit is cubic meter. Now come to B part. In B part, length of cuboid is given, breadth of cuboid is given, volume of cuboid is given. C, length of cuboid 6 meter, breadth of cuboid 12 meter, volume of the cuboid is 396 cubic meter. L into B into H is equal 396. L is 6 meter, B is 12, H we have to find out, equal 396, H is equal 396 upon 6 into 12. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36, 3 remainder 36, 6 6 is 36. 66 upon 12, 6 2 is 12, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6. It is 11 upon 2. When you will divide this 11 by 2 like this, you will get 5.5 meter. Next, C part. In C part, height of cylinder is given and volume of cylinder is given. Height of the cylinder is 14 meter. Volume of the cylinder is 396 cubic meter. Now formula for volume of cylinder is pi r square h is equal 396. Pi is 22 upon 7. R square into h. H is given 14 equal 396. Pi into r square into 14 is equal 396 into this 7. Then r square is equal 396 into 7 upon 22 multiply 14. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 1 remainder 19, 2 9 is 18, 1 remainder 16, 2 8 is 16. Means 198 upon this 22, 11 2 is 22, 11 1 is 11, 8 remainder 88, 11 8 is 88. 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. So r square is equal this 9, which is square of 3. We can write this 9 as 3 square. Square cancel. So r is equal 3 meter. Clear? So students, I have explained these 3 parts. You will do these 3 parts. All 4 parts remaining question 1. These 4 remaining parts of question 2. These 5 remaining parts of question 3. So you complete your this work by Monday. On Tuesday you will get a new video. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.